Saturday, February the 3rd, 2024. Focus. He had compassion on them. The prospect of death can be scary. What happens when the spirit leaves the body and our life on earth ends? But I am comforted knowing a God of compassion awaits us when we die. The life of Jesus speaks eloquently of compassion, even more than his words. In the Gospel, we meet Jesus and his apostles after a hard day's work. The apostles have written after being out preaching on the instructions of their master. Numerous people have been following Jesus everywhere, listening to his teaching and hoping for healing. The apostles are hungry and exhausted. Jesus can see the need of his men to rest, but there is no rest in store because the crowds pursue them. Most people would have been irritated, but Jesus is filled with compassion for these sheep without a shepherd. How do I relate to the apostles? They are tired but fulfilled. They have found their mission. Have I found my mission in life? What does it imply? How do I relate to other people? The crowds were hungry for Jesus and what he thought and did. Am I anxious to hear what Jesus is saying? Like Saint Blaise was martyred, and Saint Edgar, who traveled and evangelized like our own Saint Francis Xavier. Am I hungry for God? Fruit. If I follow Jesus like the apostles and the crowds, he will surely compassionately teach me many things.